Hi, this is Jason, and welcome to Apple Mastery, where I help you get the most out of your Apple products. Today I'm going to talk about setting up security on your iOS device. So with the amount of personal information stored on your iOS device these days, keeping it secure is an important part of the settings. During the automated setup, it will prompt you to set up a passcode for accessing your device. If you have bypassed that step, or if you want to check your settings, I will guide you through the iOS security settings on your device. So to access your security settings, first off, you go to Settings, and then to Touch ID and Passcode. So if you don't have your passcode set up, you can just go to Turn Passcode On. I'll keep my fingerprints. So you've got some passcode options. You can either enter in a 6-digit one or a 4-digit one, or a custom numeric code. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you get prompted for your Apple ID password so that you can use it for things like iTunes Store and Pay. So there's the passcode on. You can choose to set up new fingerprints as well, so that you can unlock your device with fingerprints if you've got one of the newer devices. You can also choose whether the Touch ID can be used for unlocking the iPhone, for Apple Pay, and for the iTunes and App Store. You can change your passcode there. You can also have more than one fingerprint, so I've got multiple in there as well. You can give different options for what is allowed access for when the phone is locked. So your control center, notifications, replying, returning missed calls, all of those sort of things. And finally, you can also have the phone erase data if there's been 10 incorrect passcode attempts. So that's the settings for the Touch ID and passcode. It is something that I would recommend setting up to keep your phone safe and secure, and so that people can't get access to it without your permission. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you've liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.